Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by updating and choosing your image so nothing interrupts the process. First, update the Roku firmware. This avoids compatibility problems. Next, pick a 16:9 image at 1080p or 4K and make sure it's accessible on your phone or USB drive. Then open the Roku mobile app or install a trusted screensaver/wallpaper channel so you can send the image. Once done, connect the phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the Roku to enable direct transfer. Now you'll move the image onto the Roku and set it. If using the Roku mobile app, open Photos Plus or the casting tool, select your image and choose the TV as the target. The app uploads quickly over local Wi-Fi. If using USB, insert drive, open Media Player, preview the image and confirm selection. Then navigate to Settings, choose TV Display or Screensaver Settings, and select the image as wallpaper so it shows consistently on the home screen. Finish by checking how the wallpaper displays and fixing any artifacts. Adjust scaling or cropping in the preview so the image fills the screen without essential content off frame. Use fit or stretch options as needed. If the wallpaper fails to appear or looks pixelated, restart the Roku to clear caches. As one troubleshooting tip, if problems continue, reformat the USB to FAT32 and reload the image, or rootload via the mobile app to ensure correct transfer and file compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.